This is how to make sugar. So this is sugar. Fresh sugar. Now he's cleaning sugar. Hey, don't go! Phone. And now he cutting sugar. First he cut sugar here. First he cut sugar here. So from all this, you can make 50 liter, no? 50 liter of sugar you can make. 50 liter. From all this, how much sugar you can make?
2 hours about 50. In 2 hours about 50 liters sugar. And one small can is 150 baht. One small bag, 150 baht.
Very good, very good. And she's making like this. Making like this. Sugar. You have sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
Fresh sugar. Fresh sugar.
Don't die.
That's the machine for sugar. Very clean. This is very good idea to make it. What is this?
Syrup.
Honey or sugar?
Yeah.
Sugar. Oh. Sugar.
For the with coffee.
Oh, with coffee. Someone order with coffee.
Yeah.
Oh.
มันแช่เย็นมันเลยเหนียวลองเอาไปเดี๋ยวลองชงกับกาแฟแล้วลองกิน
Nice smell?
Nice smell, very nice smell.
มันจะต่างกับน้ำผึ้ง
Nice smell.
เดี๋ยวลองมันกาแฟนั่นมึงลองไป
But the sugar have to be cold, no? Have to be cold. Sugar have to be cold. How many degrees? Minus. How many in the fridge? How cold? How cold?
ต้องใส่องศาเท่าไหร่ เราต้องใส่องศาเท่าไหร่คิดไว้อะ
อ๋อไม่รู้เลยไม่ได้นั่น No need for the fish No need
Hmm?
No fish.
No fridge.
No fish
This is no fridge.
Keep about 6 months
6 months can
Expire finish
6 months.
นะลองเอาไปชงมากินเอากาแฟเพียวๆมีอยู่ในนั้น
But this is more expensive, no 150 baht, no? Or 150 baht?
Oh no about but some people buy the 100 cc 100 baht
100 milliliters,
yeah
100 milliliters, 100 baht.
but I think the 60 70นะใส่กาแฟแล้วมันจะหอมอีกอย่างหนึ่ง
Tastes good?
แต่ยังไม่ได้ไปต้มเอาไง
เขาสั่งไว้เหรอ เหมือนที่ว่า
ไปวางที่ร้านโอท็อป
With coffee.
เหมือนแบบแล้วเคี่ยวจน
Nice. Nice. Very sweet.
แต่ก็ราคาถูกไหม
ก็ไม่ถูกหรอกเพราะว่าถ้าเป็นน้ำตาลก็60 บาท
And then after you put everything to this machine, or
แมชชีนเลย
I will keep for the after making.
Sugar. Oh, we've got one more. She wants sugar. So where are you going now?
Oh, please.
Are you gonna be cleaning this? Our water?
Huh?
Machine. 20,000 baht machine.
เดี๋ยวจะใส่กระจกไง
And that's for packing. Packing them. Packing sugar. Packing sugar. See, packing sugar. Packing sugar. So he've got it in the fridge. Very clean, no? Sugar, sugar, sugar. Everywhere, sugar. Sugar.
เอาแค่เศษผงขนม
ใช่
Cleaning sugar.
แห้งๆเดี๋ยว
So this is for order, for shop.
yeah
How many shop orders? How many liters?
นะ
50.
for today
For today, 50 liters.
มันน้อยจัง
ใช่เพราะว่า
50กิโล
50.
1 กิโล
50. Is the government checking you clean or not?
คลีน
Government come.
ออท็อปออท็อป
They give you license.
yes
ก็ออท็อป
License free or you have to pay?
if have friend free but no friend
Pay. Pay.
under the man
Money under the table.
I have friend
Hmm.
have the boss I give him one beer
One beer. Thai whiskey.
หม้อแห้ง
Lemon, no?
lemon
Lemon.
but I order the glass
The glass.
and the glass
Glass there.
government don't open
Government won't close.
close yes. but I want to looking for the room
Oh,
sometime I only need
yeah.
I want to check next time I making the tank
Mm.
new tank this is small
Tank for what? Tank.
here this one this tank is 20 liter small
Ah, it's 20 liter.
I want to 100
100 liter.
yes
See. Ah, so sugar coming here and this one staying
yes
on
the for clean
for cleaning. Ah.
this one for clean this one for clean
Mm.
Mm.
How much this cost?
Hmm?
Yeah. How much this cost in Thailand? How much money you have to spend? How much money you spend for this?
oh no I have it before I have
Ah, but if someone want to buy from shop, how much from shop?
oh I think about 4-5,000 baht.
Ah, 5,000 baht.
But my nephew have the shop. I buy
The
only
big,
the stainless.
the big.
Mm.
How many liter here? How many liter?
20.
20. I want 100 liter. 100.
But this I think this one have the big one. And if I want to easy forward sit,
You can see here.
open the
Yeah.
water easy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here you have stickers.
Yes.
Oh, that's for coffee, no? Yeah. Yeah, this is for coffee.
In this syrup.
Sila.
Syrup. Sugar syrup. Sugar cane.
Sugar cane. And this is coffee.
What do you think?
Nice.
No. Your idea. This one better. This one better.
I think this one, no? Because this one's too cold, no stay.
This one better.
This one better.
And the future. This,
future.
I make with this one.
Oh, like a cake.
Yeah, over
like
there.
a cake.
Yes.
Cake.
I think that today have time. I show you one factory. Have the factory because can export to another country. But I don't like here.
Well, this.
I don't know.
You have to take off this, or. But still good. It's good, no? It's good. So this one is, well, 100 baht for 100 milliliters. So this one is more. How much? This is 200.
200 cc.
This is 200 cc.
Yeah,
200
cc. 250.
250. 250. So it's 250 baht. No.
I think no, because now I want to buy. I no idea for price. Eat.
What is this? For what?
Well, milk.
For drinking.
You eat.
I think you're adding for sugar.
No. This one is 5 kilo.
So this is 5 kilo sugar.
5 kilo. 250.
250. 150 baht. Only sugar. But coffee more expensive.
Yeah.
Coffee more expensive.
I think I want to buy the. Oh no, this only button 16 baht.
16 baht.
Sticker in the 1 baht.
Sticker 1 baht. One sticker 1 baht or 1 baht of this. All this 1 baht.
No, this one only.
1 baht.
1 baht.
Expensive.
Yes.
Why you can't do at home? Print at home. Buy printer,
No.
paper, and do by yourself.
I cannot do. But young people, okay.
It's not hard to do.
I older people don't understand.
So one of this 8 baht.
50 baht.
50 baht one of this. Yeah, because 8 baht is here. Isn't it? 50 baht. 50 baht, and the bottle cost you. This one cost you. How much this cost you?
Coffee 200 cc.
No. This the glass. Glass.
15.
15.
15 and 19, I'm not sure.
15, 19. Plus 1 baht. So 20 baht. 20 baht to.
I think 20 baht.
Around 20 baht.
And maybe a 90 baht for sale. About 90 baht.
90 baht. And 90.
Yes. This one,
So you make 70 baht money for you. You make 70 baht profit money for you from one of these. If you
yes,
sell. If you
yes.
sell. Yes.
This one, 1 kilo, 70 baht. For I send 50, 60, and 70. Now the price, market price about 60 baht.
60 baht.
But it's can keep the 1 year. Easy for sale.
Easy for sale, yeah.
This one difficult.
Yeah, but you go shop, you pay gasoline also, petrol.
Yeah.
It's expensive now in Thailand.
No,
40.
it's I want to online. This online.
Online.
Online. It's like Lazada. I want to buy online.
Yeah.
Packing.
Yeah. That's it. Huh? What? Ah, you have to put water. Oh, well,
Clean. For clean.
for cleaning. So juice coming here. You're putting this one inside and juice coming here.
Yes.
20,000 baht.
Yes. This one.
So this is for the juice.